Now, you know now what are polynomials, algebraic expressions whose exponents are whole numbers, they are polynomials. Now in polynomial now, we should know what are the different terms and what is the coefficient of terms in a polynomial. Now for example, I shall write polynomial in X. Px means polynomial in X. Suppose you have a polynomial in X is 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Suppose this is a polynomial in X. Then which are the terms here? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. So terms are first term is 2x raised to 4, second term minus 3x cube, then third term is 2x squared minus 3x and 1. These are the terms. And then coefficient of terms. Now 2x raised to 4. This x raised to 4 is multiplied by which whole number or integer? 2. So coefficient of x raised to 4, that is 2. Coefficient of x raised to 4 is 2. Then coefficient of x cube is how much? X cube is multiplied by into minus 3. So sign is important. Minus 3. Coefficient of x square is 2. Then coefficient of minus 3x is minus 3. And constant term is 1. Or 1 means it can be also written as 1 into x raised to 0, because x raised to 0 into any x raised to 0 means 1. So 1 into 1, so finally it is 1. So this, if you want, coefficient of x raised to 0 is 1. You can write here. Coefficient of x raised to 0 is 1. Here x raised to 0 is not written, but it is there. It is not written. Okay? So if you want to. So that is the meaning of terms of the polynomial and different coefficient. Different terms has got different coefficient. I shall give you one more now. Suppose py. Y means what? Polynomial in p bracket y means polynomial in y. So here you have to use this minus 10y raised to 4 plus 2y squared plus 1, or say plus 5. So polynomial is y. So here we are using y as the variable. So which are the terms now? Terms, one is minus 10y raised to 4, second is 2y squared, and third is 5. And coefficient of y raised to 4 is how much? Is minus 10, like that. Coefficient of y squared, how much? 2. And constant of or coefficient of x raised to 0 is 5, like that. Okay? Then this is related to terms and coefficient of the term. Then now consider polynomial. Consider py is equal to polynomial in y 4y raised to 6 minus 6y squared plus 2. So how many terms are here? There are 3 different terms. 4y raised to 6 minus 6y squared and plus 2. Now, which is the highest exponent here? The highest exponent is here y square, exponent 2, here exponent 6. So, 6 is the highest exponent. So, the highest exponent in a polynomial is called degree of that polynomial. So, here what is the degree of this polynomial? This 6 is the degree of this polynomial. So, here we can see the term with highest exponent is 4y raised to 6. Okay, and in 4y raised to 6, what is the exponent of y? 6 is the exponent of the y. So, therefore, now this 6 is the highest exponent. The degree of this polynomial, therefore, the degree of polynomial in y, that is what? 4y raised to 6 minus 6y square plus 2 is 6, the highest exponent. So we can write what is degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. The highest exponent or the highest power highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. So, suppose if you are having 5y cube minus 10y raised to 50, 10y raised to 50 plus 20y raised to 20. So, what is the degree here? As you can see, highest exponent is 50. So, degree of this polynomial will be 50. Okay.